Hi, so we are at the end of the October 5th trading day for 2020. I'm going to give an update about one of the trades I was giving out an APB about yesterday. So we are looking at the Aussie USD. Yesterday, I said that this was going to be a very pivotal zone. I was either expecting a consolidation or for the price here to just cut through it like butter. Looks like it's going to be a mix of the two. If I switch over here, I can see that for the past 2.1 days, we're looking at this orange line right here. Matter of fact, I'll make it a little bit easier for you guys, and we will look at the T2 chart. All right, so for the past 2.1 days, I'm not sure how long that is on here. I guess would be that little section right here. So looking at this past 2.1 days, we've actually gotten some good strength into the Aussie dollar. If we look over here at the hourly chart, we can see that we have a very strong upward trend in the Aussie dollar also, and then we also have a very good trend in the in the New Zealand dollar. So, putting all of that together, I'm expecting that this area here is an area of good liquidity. So we might move through this area pretty quickly. On top of that, if we go ahead and we look at the volatility rank that we have, we are above 50, which is normally a bearish signal, but I'm actually going to counter that at the moment because we have seen this huge drop off in IV rank on the 4 hour chart. But that doesn't exclude the possibility that we can see some volatility to the downside. If we look at how the 85 or the 75-80 area is actually going to progress a little bit further, we may be able to get a more confident reading on that and the further direction that it's going to go in. Before I switch off of this 4 hour chart, I do want to point out these yellow lines that I have out here. Those are going to be my 3 standard deviation moves. And the thing that I've noticed with the opening quarter or the opening few weeks of the quarter is that once we tend to find a direction to go in, we usually follow that direction for a while. So going into last quarter, starting June 30th, July 1st, we had that we had like a little consolidation going into that new quarter. But once we found our direction in that new quarter, we continue with that direction for a majority of the quarter, only till we hit about here. So I'm actually expecting the same thing to happen here. Once we do find a direction, may that be up or down, we should continue with that direction for a good chunk of the quarter. Now, going into a smaller time frame, we're actually going to look more at this IV rank. All right, so that's actually a little bit blurry. Okay, let's look at it like this. So, IV rank below 50 is a very bullish market. So, right now on the hourly 65-minute chart, we have this very, very low IV rank of 3.8, pretty much ensuring that we have a strong bullish market. As you can see, the candle that we're on at the moment is kind of slicing through it like butter. Let's figure out what these averages are doing. So for our rate of change, we have a strong rate of change upwards. That's nice. We can see that throughout this is going to be a weekly standard deviation move. We did find support here, but we really haven't moved away from it. We have had a boundary at this 3 standard deviation. So if we're able to do a quick pop above this, I expect that we will continue in this upward direction for a good chunk of the week. As you can see here, it's happened in the past where we broke to that initial direction, and we just continued with it for the entire week. So that plus this gives me good confidence, and it will continue going up. So you can see I have a couple of take profits. One is at the I forgot which one line this is, One is at the 0.725, the other is at the 0.73. Do I believe we can get up here by the end of the week? Depending on the amount of volatility and volume that we have in the market, and plus, of course, the news, it's very likely that we could get up here if everything does stay either moderately bullish or extremely bullish. So that's been my outlook for the AUD USD pair for the week, I guess we would say, because I am very confident that it is going up. And that's it. Peace out.